Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's time for a new collection obsession series. I played along with this series when I was doing videos a few years ago, and now I'm back into scrapping and making videos. I'm jumping in again. So for June, I am using the Indigo and Violet collection from Uniquely Creative. Apologies for the dog. Um, yeah, so if you haven't watched a collection obsession video before, what we do is everyone chooses a collection of some sort, and then throughout that month we make 4 layouts using that collection. So this is the introduction video of what I'll be using throughout June, and then I'll be back probably next Wednesday with the first layout. So this is the Indigo and Violet collection by Uniquely Creative. Lovely purples and greys, and on the back of their I don't know what you'd call this, it's like a sample of the collection. They always have cut aparts, which is cool, and the good thing about Uniquely Creative is that they do have dies that cut out all these tags, for example, and one that cuts out all these circles, and they'll be joined together. So for every cut apart sheet, these are always the same size in the same like 1 2 3 4 5 together. The circles are all 6 of them the same size, the same spacing all the time. So if you're not a fussy cutter, I suggest you get the dies. It makes it so much easier to cut these out. But I love that they have these on the back of the summary of the collection, because it makes it useful then. No waste. Alright, so beautiful papers, all mauves and greys. So this is Always There, and the reverse side is Gorgeous Honeycombs. Oh, if only I had looked at this before the 30 days of sketches I'd started filming for them, because this would work perfectly with some of those sketches. Anyway, there's 2 sheets of each, so I'll just leave that way. Beautiful purple flowers called True Friendship, this page. And the reverse side is a purple stripe with the strip down the bottom, has these great words on it for journaling. That's that same one. And then, oh, look at this, gorgeous. This is Shared Secrets. Look at that, all the multimedia work is done for you. And I apologise, the doorbell's about to go, I think, and the dog's going to start barking because I hear a delivery driver in the driveway. So, sorry about that. And the reverse side is this beautiful, so there's the dog. Sorry, someone's going to answer the door. And all these words again down the bottom, and this like a ink smoosh type of effect. That's the same one. And then another one where a lot of the collage work, I guess it is done for you. So you don't, if you're not into multimedia like me, you still get that effect, but without having to do it yourself. And then polka dots on the back. And that one's called You and Me. I don't know if I said that already. There's too much going on, sidetracking me. And this one is called Inside Jokes. I wouldn't use this as a page in itself, like a paper in itself. I would definitely fussy cut all these. And that's where if you've got something like a brother scan and cut like I do, it's perfect. Just feed it in, it recognizes them all, and then it just cuts them out. Some of these ones that are white though, you may have to go around them with a black marker or a lead pencil just to give it a bit of definition, because sometimes the white can bleed into the background and it's not distinctive enough for it to pick it up on a scan, so therefore it won't cut it out, or it'll pick up the dark bits and it might cut in around here instead and miss all these leaves. So that's something just to be mindful of. Ask me how I know. I've had that happen. And the reverse side is this beautiful, like a wheel type of pattern. So 2 of those which equals lots of embellishments in my eyes. Okay, and then we have a cut apart sheet of tags and journaling blocks. And the reverse side is more tags and blocks and embellishments and yeah, good. Alright, so that is the collection I'll be using. And then I also have some extras to go with it. Now, I got this collection as part of their advent calendar box last year, I think it was. No, it was actually the year before. It was 2022. That's how long I've had it. This is young in my stash compared to what else I've got. My goodness. Alright, so these are the stickers. So one sheet of stickers. And then I have a cut apart sheet. So these are the same as what's on the back of there. Not as many. There's more on the back of that sheet. And then I don't know if this is part of the collection. I don't think so, but it was in... Oh no, that's Juniper and Sage. That's a different collection. Ignore that. Doilies. I had doilies in the kit as well. And then I have the Creative Cuts, and that is for Indigo and Violet. I haven't taken them out, but they look really pretty. Curious as to what that big heading says. It doesn't say on the back, like it doesn't have a graphic of what they are. So that'll be a surprise when I start creating. And then they have the Creative Cuts. These are the vellum stickers. Really pretty. I love these. I just wish they were easier to separate from the backing. But either way, they're pretty and I still use them. And then just some mauve rhinestones. Pearlized. Right, and they call them embellies. But yeah, lavender pearls they're called. So that is the collection I'll be using in June. Make sure you come back. Every Wednesday is when I plan to get the layouts out using this collection. And also make sure that if I have anyone listed below who's playing along, that you go over and check out what they're doing too. If you've liked this video, give it the thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.